if you intend to decommission, sell or give away your Amazon Echo Spot. Before you do, you need to perform a factory reset. Not only will this procedure wipe your data and any settings from your Amazon device, it will also deregister your Echo Spot from your Amazon account. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate 3 ways that you can perform a factory reset on an Echo Spot. Before performing a factory reset, you need to ensure that your Echo Spot is connected to the internet. This is important in order to ensure that your Echo Spot can deregister itself from your Amazon account. The easiest way to factory reset an Amazon Echo Spot is via the Alexa app. So if we open the Alexa app and select Devices, from the list of devices that appears, if we locate and select our Echo Spot, by tapping on the settings icon and then scrolling to the bottom of the list of settings, we should find an option called Registered To. If we tap Deregister, we are informed that our Echo Spot will be deregistered from our Amazon account. However, as our Echo Spot is connected to the internet, our Amazon Echo Spot will also be remotely reset. Let's select Deregister. The second way we can factory reset an Amazon Echo Spot is from the user interface on the device itself. So if we swipe down and then select the settings icon, from the list that appears, we now need to scroll down and tap Device Options. Listed in Device Options, you will find a setting called Factory Reset. When we tap on this option, we're presented with 2 reset options. The first option will reset your Echo Spot, but leave it connected to your wireless network. Something that you might do in order to give your Echo Spot to a different user on the same wireless network, or if you find that your Echo Spot is misbehaving and you want to quickly wipe it and then reconfigure it. The second option will perform a factory reset, which will remove the device from your wireless network, deregister it from your Amazon account, and then reset your Echo Spot back to its factory defaults. Let's choose Reset. The final way we can factory reset our Echo Spot is via the control buttons on the top of the device. Something that you would do if the touchscreen display was misbehaving, and a factory reset might fix the problem. First, we need to press the mute button. We then need to set the volume to 0. Now to start the reset process, if we press and hold down both the mute and the volume down buttons for roughly 25 to 30 seconds, when we release our fingers, our Echo Spot will begin to factory reset. After initiating the factory reset process, your Echo Spot will reboot a number of times, displaying both the Amazon and Echo logos. Please note that during the factory reset process, you should not remove the power or attempt to switch off your Echo Spot. While performing a factory reset will only take a couple of minutes, it will appear as if your Echo Spot has finished performing its factory reset when it displays a QR code for the Alexa app. However, you need to wait until you hear the following message.
Hallo. Scan the QR code to open the Alexa app.
Hallo. Scanne den QR-Code, die Alexa-App zu öffnen.
Bonjour. Scannez le code QR pour ouvrir l'application Alexa.
Ciao. Scansiona il codice QR per aprire la app Alexa.
Hola. Escanea el código QR para abrir la app Alexa.
It is at this point that you can either remove the power from your Echo Spot or begin to reconfigure the device using the Alexa app.